Welcome to this video, which shows you how to access the University of Johannesburg Library using UJoogle. UJoogle is, like the name suggests, a Google for the library resources, and is probably the easiest way to access all the resources in one place. Your first step is to access the university library page at www.uj.ac.za/library. If you scroll down on the homepage, you'll see there is an empty search bar in which you can type keywords. Now type your keywords, for example, technology in education, and click on the search button. Once you've pressed the search button, it should bring you to a results page. This page will show you all the books, journal articles, newspaper articles, and ebooks that are relevant to your search. If you are logged into UJoogle, you can even download articles directly from here, simply by pressing the PDF button. This is a great way to see all the relevant resources in one place, and I would suggest you start with the UJoogle whenever you begin collecting resources. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to watch the other videos too. Happy writing!